Oh my God. Look at this beautiful specimen. The Tascam Porta One. To be honest with you, I don't know too much about this machine. I saw the pretty colors, and I purchased. Alright, moment of truth. Does this work? Beautiful. Got this off the old internet. Never know what you're gonna get. My Tascam 414 has been on the fritz, so we needed a temporary replacement until I get that fixed. This thing is a work of art. Just look at these strange color-coded rubber dials. Alarmingly supple. Very tactile. Very scrumptious. This particular one's got a blue LED mod. It's got a place where you can put a strap here so you can tote around your Porta One like a purse. And apparently this model can also be battery powered. Crazy. It's got to be at least $50 of batteries to get this thing going. I think I'm going to pass on that little feature for now. Okay, I think it's time to start recording. Let's do a little test. I found this tape at Goodwill. It says Mara Lisa. Looks like it's somebody's sexy mixtape. Unofficially the Chikorita mix.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mara Lisa, you should have never given away your mixtape, my dear. This is quite sexual. As amazing as this is, I think it's time to record over it. Got the black fountain here, engaged, and we are plugged into channel 1. So let's see how she sounds. Okay. Wow, what a sweet little tune. Let's record that onto track 1. If it's like the 414, you need to pan the tracks. Okay, the lights went out for some reason. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna assume it means something good. Let's record. Okay. Don't suck. Let's see what that sounds like. Switch it over to tape. I don't hear anything. Please. There it is. It's very quiet. Okay, first thoughts, we're gonna have a whole lot of tape hiss. I think I'm gonna have to turn up the trim a little bit, play louder than I think, and then hopefully it'll come through. Let's see what this sounds like pitched down. Interesting. Yeehaw! I love my horse. I love my horse. Okay, we have successfully recorded a track. I'm not in love with it, so I'm gonna noodle some more on the guitar. And I kind of want to see if we can get some distortion going. Let's see what happens if we crank up the trim. Holy God. Sounds kind of cool. Okay, here's what I've learned so far. Crank the trim, turn the volume down, turn the master down, and then lightly strum. Pitch back to normal. Let's go. Let's see what it sounds like. Hopefully it exists. Not hearing it. Okay, that sounds like it was recorded on tape. Lots of saturation, warm, toasty. Great. Let's try and actually make a song now. We've diddled, we've noodled enough. All right, we got the $10 Amazon mic here. Gonna record these drums. It's about to get serious. Track 1, here we go. Can't find my mic stand. Gonna have to just throw it right here next to my crotch. Prime recording location. Oh yeah. It's starting to get dirty. We have drums. I'm becoming slightly impatient. I'm starting to shit through things. But I can't help it. I want to get to the song. Got the bass pulled up. We're in track 2. Very stinky. I think I'm gonna do something like that. Track 2. Switch it. Switch this to safe. I think this is correct. We'll see. Hopefully I don't delete the drums. God be with me. Keeping it. We were going hard. Yo, sounds good enough to me. Throw some vocals on top, call it a day, eat some dinner. Go back to work on Monday, let's go. I think it's sounding pretty good. We're gonna do some vocals. Gonna run the $10 mic through the Black Fountain reverb off the table into the floor. Let's see how this sounds. Hello, testing, testing, testing. Ooh, that sounds bad. Can we make it sound good? Oh, baby, why? Oh, what's the matter with you? Marilisa Chikorita. Marilisa Chikorita. I'm in pain. Marilisa Chikorita, I'm in pain? Sounds like lyrics to me. Marilisa Chikorita, I'm in pain. We might not do verses. We might just do the chorus and call it a day. Ooh, guys, I hate to tell you this, but somewhere along the way, I made some terrible mistakes. So I think I accidentally overdubbed in a lot of places. For example, if I turn the drums down, the drums are still playing. So that's kind of a problem. And then if I turn the bass down, the drums are still playing. So I think I've overdubbed the drums like 3 times. Also, there's like a punch-in sound in the first verse, and it's permanent. It's in there. So I'm saying happy little mistakes. Hey, this is my unique sound. I like drums on every track. But yeah, unfortunately, there's no turning back. I kind of have to commit to these mistakes. I'm just figuring this out live on camera. I'm sorry. But check this out. It's okay, little guy. You'll do better next time. I feel better. Thank you. Also, another development. I think I like this song pitched up. Oh, that's a bad sound. That's in there too. Oh, so many. You see what I mean? Speed it up a little bit, sound like I'm playing faster, you know? It's a little more rock and roll. I'm gonna try the vocals. That's one problem though, is because it's pitched up. I gotta sing higher somehow. I don't know if I got it in me. I barely had the last one. I'm just screaming. I'm ready. Marilisa! Okay, let's try. Let's try for God's sakes. Marilisa Chikorita, I'm in pain. I'm gonna try again. I can't really hit this note. It's just yelling. But I believe in myself. Marilisa Chikorita, I'm in pain. Marilisa Chikorita, I'm in pain. Let's see what that did. Well, we made an extremely dirty song. Maybe too dirty for human ears, but who cares? I apologize for the hideous amount of mistakes in this video, but I've never used this thing before, okay? So I still don't really know how to use it. It's probably going to take a few more songs. I think I'll learn how to use it off camera next time and then come to you with some sort of knowledge. But that's what the next video is for. We're going to come back fresh. We're going to make another song on the 4-track. Hopefully it'll be a little bit better. Hopefully there won't be popping sounds. Hopefully there won't be 3 or 4 drum overdubs. I need to figure out why that's happening. But if you like this video, please sign up for the Patreon. Got all sorts of extra videos, song downloads, and a beautiful community chat. Please sign up. But anyway, I'm gonna rip this song to my computer and we're gonna play it right now. Ta-da! It sucks.